Baked Masala Paneer Tikkas. Serves 4 and takes about 45 minutes from start to finish. Crunchy edges, juicy centers, and vibrant spices. 250 grams of paneer cut into 1-inch cubes. Use firm paneer for best results. 1 cup of plain yogurt, whisked until smooth. This forms the tenderizing base of the marinade. 2 tablespoons of gram flour known as besan. It helps the marinade cling and gives a slight crisp. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to brighten the flavors and tenderize the paneer. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste for warm aromatic depth. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin for earthy warmth. 1 teaspoon of ground coriander for citrusy, nutty notes. 1 teaspoon of garam masala for complex spice aroma. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder or sweet paprika for color and mild heat. 1 teaspoon of salt or adjust to taste. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to help the edges crisp in the oven. 1 medium red bell pepper cut into 1-inch pieces. 1 medium green bell pepper cut into 1-inch pieces. 1 medium red onion cut into 1-inch pieces for skewering with the paneer. Fresh cilantro leaves and lemon wedges for garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius and line a baking tray with parchment paper. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Whisk until smooth. Add the paneer cubes, red and green bell peppers, and red onion to the marinade. Toss gently to coat and let sit for 15 minutes. While the mixture rests, prepare wooden skewers by soaking them in water for 10 minutes to prevent burning. Thread paneer and vegetables onto skewers, alternating pieces to fill 4 skewers and leaving a little space between items. Place the skewers on the prepared baking tray and brush any leftover marinade over the tops. Drizzle a little extra oil if desired. Bake in the preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes until edges begin to brown. For extra char, turn the oven to the grill setting and grill for 2 minutes on each side, watching carefully to avoid burning. Remove the skewers from the oven and let rest for 2 minutes to settle the juices. Garnish with fresh cilantro and lemon wedges, then serve hot with mint chutney or yogurt dip. Now we'll finish preparing and plating the recipe. Closing. Enjoy your baked masala paneer tikkas and thank you for watching. If you love this baked masala paneer tikka recipe, like and subscribe for more recipes and hit the bell to get notified.